Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As the title of this one you already know, we're doing something a little bit different today. Working on my girlfriend's 2015 Mazda 3. It's got my old Speed 3 wheels on it, which look really good. It's on Raceland coilovers. That's pretty well it. That's all she's got done to it right now, and stickers for horsepower and stuff. It looks really good on the Speed 3 wheels. I like it. But we're gonna be putting a wing on this thing and a front lip. I'll show you what it looks like before, but these cars are really aggy. Like the back of them is super round. So I think this wing will make a big difference. Here is the wing. Pretty aggressive. I think it's gonna look good. It's gonna be big. Whole thing needs to be scuffed. It's basically a MAZDASPEED 3 wing, essentially. There's the front lip and the under part for the wing, I guess. Whatever that's for, and the third brake light. So that all kind of goes together. Basically looks like this wing on my car. It almost even looks bigger than this wing, like wider. But maybe that's just because it's not on a car. And then she'll also have this part, I think. This under piece that will go on first. So she's already taken off all the plastic interior pieces on the hatch. There's what it looks like before. Very round. Pretty well nothing. I think Mazda should have did something a little bit more aggressive, but that's it. Ooh-wee. Now it's really aggy. Oh yeah. Damn. Looks good. Hopefully the paint turns out good now. What? Hopefully the paint turns out good now. Nice. While I'm at work tomorrow, she's going to tackle scuffing this up, because this is just cheap plastic, right? So this all has to be sanded, so or scuffed at least, so that all the shininess is out of it, and the paint will stick well to it. Same with this piece. Scuff it up, adhesive, motor, primer, paint, clear coat, let it cure, and reassemble, install back onto the car, and that will be it. The only thing kind of that's not plug and play is the light. They don't give you a connector for this, so also terribly small gauge wire. So we're gonna be likely cutting this off and splicing into it so that we can use the other end to plug back into the wiring harness, and then just some two-sided tape for extra security, and that's it. Excited?
The next day.
Here is the lineup of paint that I'm going to use. Adhesion promoter for the plastic, a primer, black, the black paint that's paint matched to my car, and the clear coat. Okay, so I finished adding the adhesion promoter. I did 2 coats on each, and now I'm gonna go do the primer. I'm kind of nervous. Probably not going to be perfect, but I'm trying, and I think it'll turn out okay. So I'm going to let this dry for an hour and then apply a second coat of primer and then sand it or scuff it before I add the paint.
Let's check it out. See how she's doing. Painting is stressful. Doesn't sound like you got much left in that can.
Nope. Everything's done.
Once the clear goes on, it will give it the gloss. It'll give it the deeper black look.
So set a timer for an hour.
Looks like it's just primered.
I know.
Day 2, working on Larissa's car. Everything's painted upstairs, and we're gonna put the spoiler on first. See how that goes. We got to wire in the 3rd brake light, and that's about it. It bolts up pretty easy. Flip the car around and do the front lip as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is wire up her 3rd brake light. This one's a bit bigger than what was in there originally. Here's the comparison. This one's definitely longer. It's almost double in length. This end plugs into the car, and then this is for the old harness. I'm just gonna cut this off and splice into these 2 wires. Heat shrink them, tape them up, and it should be good. Tiny gauge wire. Very annoying to work with, but what can you do? Before I forget to do this, almost sliced it into the cable and didn't install it in here first. Too bad. There. Wow, what a pain in the ass. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 outside ones suck. What? It's done. Let's see what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see it on the GoPro, probably. You like it?
Yes.
Go turn on the light.
Oh my god, I love it. What light?
Your brake light. Mazda speed wing.
The rear lights on?
Yep. There you go. That third brake light is sick.
Yeah.
I don't know if yours were LED before.
No, they were.
This one is.
Is it? Oh my god.
Mazda speed without the motor. Here's what an actual Mazda speed wing looks like. Just pretty well identical. Hers is a bit more. Hers is bigger even, and it's rounder. It's more like a rainbow. Oh, I think yours is just, well, that's just the nature of your hatch. All right, rear wing is done. Time for the front lip. This is actually for this car, so unlike the ones that I put on my car, this should fit right up. They even give you hardware to install it, wherever it is. Just some basic self-tappers. Actually, they're not even self-tappers, but should be pretty straightforward. Windows helping the lip install.
The top hole, right?
Yeah, oh fuck, those are some good clips. Those are some nice clips. Really got some pop to them. Lip from?
Base and dark.
Oh, classic.
But I ordered it off next month.
Yeah, so they sell the same stuff. Looks good. It fits really nice. If you've got a 3rd gen Mazda 3, highly suggest this lip. Easy install, gives you the hardware.
Pre-drill holes.
It's pretty aggressive in the front too. Actually, it's not as, I didn't expect it to be that aggressive, honestly.
I have 4 screws left. There's probably like 10.
Yeah, there's so many holes to drill into. You got the little canards on the side. And then just a nice subtle lip, you know? And they even give you plastic clips for the side.
I'll take one of these
Go
and
right
use it next one.
into the fender well. So that's dandy. Let's get it on the ground and see what it actually looks like. We'll get some final clips before I end this video in the daylight. Yeah, because it's pitch black out now, so no sense you can't see it, especially it being a black car. So yeah, we'll have to wait till